Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from VIVO V50 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Then tap on whatever you want to in the pop-ups over here. And when you finished, hit send at the bottom left corner of VIVO and receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on VIVO, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, you need to hit allow a few more times to access those files. When you're done, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up, and decide which connection way you want to use. To input this key, hit input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit receive button to connect. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Now close and add, and as you can see, after that all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!